Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my channels. I am kind of whispering. It is currently almost 2 in the morning. I just got done back from my friend's party, but I received the Morphe surprise box. I'm so excited to open this with you guys. Okay, so let's get started. So I found out that Morphe was doing surprise boxes and I was like, I have to buy one. So I know they said that there's 2 boxes with different prices. There's one that's I think like 35. This is the one that is 50. It was like 54 after taxes. I went into the Morphe store and they had it in hand. I know some of them come with an they said it was gonna come with like an extra surprise, but it was only certain one of them. So let's hope I get it. So it does say that it's the 9-piece face plus eye collection. Yeah, so let's get it open. I'm so excited. I love Morphe. All of you guys who know me personally or even in YouTube, like if you guys see my previous channels, I always use Morphe palettes. So Morphe beauty sponges, Morphe brushes, Morphe setting spray, like most of my stuff is Morphe, so it's like you can never go wrong. I have Morphe lipstick, Morphe lip liners, everything I have is Morphe, and I love Morphe. So spending $50 on a box that's worth over $100, it's like no brainer for me. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Okay. Oh, and I did get a new beauty room. We got an extra room in my house, so I want to go ahead and decorated it. I am going to be posting a video hopefully soon. It's practically all done. I just want to paint the walls black, but that'll be a later time. Also, another surprise. I need to do the video too. I don't know if you guys can see behind me. Oh, they fell. The flash and the flare. Chocolate Hill. Okay, right? I want you guys to open it with me. Ooh. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It looks so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and review them one by one. So I got the 350S Natural Glow Shimmer. It says it's Natural Glow Shimmer, 35 shades to change your world. Meet your squad of beyond creamy and highly pigmented, super blendable eyeshadows. We took our iconic palette for a shimmer spin with orange and brown shades to play and slay with endless look up to you. Morphe babes don't just blend in, they blend the rules. Okay, so I do have most of Morphe's palettes. So if I have one, it's okay. I'll do a giveaway. I'll let you know if it's one that I have or not. No, I do not have this one. This is such a pretty colors. I wish I had the names. Like I wish each of them had the names because I know a lot of my Morphe palettes don't. And sometimes when I'm doing a look, I kind of want it because I need it. So I'm just like pointing. But this one's very pretty. It has like some browns. Let me take off the reflection. Okay, sorry about that. My brother and my sister-in-law and my other brother-in-law came in and from the same party, and they're like, "What are you doing?" So I had to do a little time out there. Okay, so back to the palette. It has some browns, some shimmers. It has some orange colors here. They're like red, pinkish. This beautiful orange here that I'm excited to use. So it's a very pretty palette that I am definitely going to put to use. Thank you so much, Morphe. Okay, so we have the Blushing Babes Pop-Up Pink. This little box here. So I really don't use blush. It might be a giveaway. I might start using it. We'll see. Oh. So it's a little palette with a beautiful mirror. The names are Rule Breaker, Free, and Spirits. I am not going to swatch it just because it might be a giveaway. I do not wear blush, especially like this pink one. I would not wear. Maybe as an eyeshadow, but I wouldn't wear it. So I'm just going to cover it back up. Beautiful mirror too. And then I got a pair of eyelashes, which I always love. And they're actually pretty big. And I love big eyelashes, like long eyelashes, exaggerating eyelashes. These are called Push. And then we got a little packet here. I don't think I got the extra surprise. I know they said there was, on some of the boxes, there was an extra surprise with a new collab. I'm not sure if they're talking about the James or the Jaclyn Hill. So, I didn't get it, but some boxes have it. So, we got 3 brushes. We got the Morphe R39, which is from the Rose Gold collection. It's like a blending brush. Definitely going to use that. You can never have too many of these fluffy blending brushes. Like, I have like 12 and I still don't have enough. And then we have the R36, which is a fluffy, but it's very long. Maybe it can be used for some highlight. I don't know. We'll see. And then we have this pretty one here, which is the R11. Ooh, they're super soft. I actually don't own none of the Rose Gold collection. So this is something new to my collection too. What could I use this for? Maybe highlighting. And we got a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip crayon. So I'm going to be swatching these because I do love lipsticks. Let's see. It's a packaging like this. And it is it's called Steamy. Steamy. Such a pretty red color. I should try to put it on. Let me use this eyeshadow mirror. Such a pretty color. Not with the eyeshadow I'm wearing today, but I would definitely use this. Thank you. Okay, and then we're going to go in with the lip crayon. This is color IRL. Earl? I don't know. I don't own no lip crayon, so this is interesting. I only own lipstick, lip liners, lip gloss. So it's a pretty nude color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my head. Ooh, very creamy. Such a pretty color. Definitely going to use this. It's a very creamy, it's like a pink nude. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. It's a very pretty nude. And we have a lip gloss in the color Froze. Oh, nice. It's like a little sparkly. smells good. It's like a very, it's a glossy, like a little bit of sparkle. So overall, I really loved the box. Like, I love Morphe, and I'm really happy that my palette is not one of the ones that I already have. The eyelashes, I'm definitely going to put them to use. Everything in there is something I'm going to be using. The only thing that I might not use is the blush, just because I don't wear any blush. But maybe that can be something I can start doing. So overall, I'm very happy with the box. I didn't get the Surprize, which I am kind of sad about, but that's okay. It's still worth the money that I paid for. And I'm just going to throw this away. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.